Are you constantly seeing Enable Bluetooth in your Tesla app, even when Bluetooth is already turned on? This frustrating error typically occurs due to Bluetooth permission issues that prevent your phone from acting as a key or controlling vehicle features like charging. The error blocks essential Tesla app functions and commonly affects both Android and iOS users, though Android devices see it more frequently due to their detailed permission system. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore Bluetooth's role and provide detailed solutions for both platforms. The Tesla app relies on Bluetooth Low Energy for short-range communication with your car. This technology enables the phone as key functionality and other remote features that make the app so powerful. Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, is designed for efficient, low-power communication over short distances, perfect for connecting your phone to your Tesla vehicle. One of the key features enabled by this connection is Phone as Key, which allows you to unlock and start your car using just your smartphone. Other remote features like climate control and charging also depend on this Bluetooth link. Without proper Bluetooth connectivity, the Tesla app has to fall back to cellular data for communication. While this works for some basic functions, many key features are disabled without the direct Bluetooth connection. Think of Bluetooth as the way your phone needs to shake hands with your car to establish that trusted connection for all the advanced features to work properly. Android users often encounter Bluetooth errors in the Tesla app due to the platform's detailed permission controls. Start by navigating to your phone's settings, then Apps, find Tesla, and tap Permissions. Ensure the location permission is enabled, as it's essential for Bluetooth scanning. Also, enable the Nearby Devices permission to allow device connections. Make sure the app has background access enabled. Finally, restart both the Tesla app and your phone to apply the changes. For iPhone users experiencing Bluetooth permission issues with the Tesla app, start by opening your Settings app and navigating to the Tesla section. Once in the Tesla app settings, ensure that Bluetooth permission is enabled. This is required for the app to communicate with your vehicle. Location permission is recommended, but not required. Enabling it can improve the reliability of the connection between your phone and Tesla. If issues persist, try resetting your network settings. This can clear any interference from iOS privacy features that might be blocking the connection. For iOS 18 users, check Apple's privacy dashboard for any restrictions on the Tesla app. This new feature can sometimes limit app permissions. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes to resolve the Enable Bluetooth error. First, enable Bluetooth in your phone's settings. This ensures the Tesla app can connect properly. Second, restart your phone and the Tesla app. This can clear temporary glitches affecting Bluetooth connectivity. Third, clear the Tesla app's cache on Android devices. This removes stored data that might be causing permission issues. Fourth, ensure you're within 10 to 15 meters of your vehicle for initial pairing. Bluetooth has limited range. If available, use the Quick Fix button in the Tesla app settings to reset Bluetooth permissions automatically. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the Bluetooth error, it's time to explore advanced solutions. First, check for interference from other apps that might be limiting Bluetooth access, such as VPN services or battery-saving applications. On Android devices specifically, disable adaptive battery features in your phone's settings. These features can interrupt Bluetooth connectivity by restricting background app activity, even for essential functions like the Tesla app. Finally, ensure your Tesla vehicle's firmware is completely up to date. A firmware mismatch between your phone and the vehicle can cause persistent connection issues that basic resets won't fix. These advanced steps address common conflicts that go beyond simple permission settings, helping restore reliable Bluetooth functionality for your Tesla app. Many users have successfully resolved the Enable Bluetooth error in the Tesla app after OS updates. These real-world examples demonstrate how different approaches work for different platforms. For example, one Android 15 user encountered the error and resolved it by enabling the Nearby Devices permission in their phone's app settings. This permission is crucial for Bluetooth Low Energy scanning on modern Android devices. Similarly, an iOS 18 user faced repeated prompts and fixed the issue by resetting the app permissions in their iPhone settings, then repairing the vehicle through the Tesla app. This highlights how iOS requires explicit permission resets for Bluetooth functionality. These cases underscore the importance of OS-specific solutions when troubleshooting Bluetooth errors. For additional help, check online forums like r's Tesla Model 3, where users share their successful fixes. Looking ahead, Tesla is planning to integrate ultra-wideband technology in future vehicles to significantly reduce reliance on Bluetooth for key features like phone as key access. This UWB system uses precise positioning to provide more reliable and secure vehicle communication. Additionally, Tesla is developing cloud-based key sharing capabilities, allowing vehicle access through secure online accounts rather than direct Bluetooth connections. This approach will make the app more flexible and less dependent on local wireless signals. Regular app updates remain essential for maintaining compatibility and fixing emerging issues. Tesla releases frequent updates that address Bluetooth problems and improve overall functionality. A key reminder is to always keep both your Tesla app and phone operating system updated to ensure the best performance and security. By understanding Bluetooth permissions and applying the troubleshooting steps we've covered, you can typically resolve the Enable Bluetooth error and restore full functionality to your Tesla app.